Ladies and gentlemen, you are in for a good video right here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to start social media marketing in 2019 step by step. Now, for those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Iman Gadji, and I've owned my marketing agency for around the past two and a half years. And I've done a hell of a lot of things right and a hell of a lot of things wrong, and really just kind of failed my way to where I am right now. You can look back over on my YouTube channel. You can look back over the last, look back like 2 years ago, and you can literally start to see, my first few clients, Athlete, Furo Systems, Zebra Fuel, and you can kind of start to see the formation of my agency. Now, back 2 years ago, I was pretty much offering social media management and content curation, and then that's really evolved over the last 2 years to where we are right now, which is literally only offering paid traffic services to info product and e-commerce businesses. And we have some incredible clients right now, and a client roster that I'm super proud of. But as I said, over this 2 year span, or two and a half year span, I learned a lot of stuff, and I started to get a lot of attention for, very quickly scaling to six figures and then beyond. And that's really how my education company, GrowYourAgency.com, started to form. And today, GrowYourAgency.com, I think, is either the biggest or definitely one of the biggest agency education companies out there. Literally, we were helping thousands and thousands of people quit their job, start social media marketing agencies, scale it to six figures. That's kind of like the benchmark. And then even beyond to 20, 30, 40, 50K a month. So that's a little bit about me. Now, one of the issues, I guess, that arises, when you have been doing something for two and a half